Is your iPhone or Android camera spying on you? Do this. Quick checklist. Do these first. Close all apps and reboot your phone. Check for the green-orange camera/mic.iOS or camera icon in the status bar Android. If it appears with no app visible, proceed to the If It Keeps Happening section. Revoke camera permission for every non-essential app, step by step below. Update your operating system and apps. If you still worry, cover the camera physically, sticker slider, and follow the stronger measures. iPhone, iOS. Immediate steps: open settings, privacy and security, camera. Turn off camera access for any app that doesn't absolutely need it, social apps, games, etc. Check settings, privacy and security, app privacy report and turn it on. Then review which apps accessed camera mic recently. Look for the green dot in the top right when camera is active. Orange equals sign mic. If you see it and no app is open, reboot and follow If It Keeps Happening. To disable the camera app entirely, settings, screen time, content and privacy restrictions, allowed apps, then toggle camera off. This hides the camera app. Remove any unfamiliar apps, long press app, remove app, delete app, update iOS, settings, general, software update. Android, immediate steps, most Android 12 Plus. Open settings, privacy, permission manager, camera or settings, apps, app permissions, camera. Revoke camera permission for all apps that don't need it. Set any suspicious apps to deny. Use the privacy dashboard, settings, privacy dashboard to see camera usage history. Some Android versions have a quick settings camera toggle. Disable camera access globally while on. Pull down quick settings to see it. Go settings, Google, security, play protect and run a scan or open your device's security app, Samsung device care, etc. Uninstall unfamiliar apps, settings, apps, app, uninstall, check settings, security, device admin apps and revoke admin rights from unfamiliar apps. Also check accessibility settings for suspicious services and disable them. Update OS and apps, settings, system update, paths vary by manufacturer. How to spot if your camera is being used secretly. Camera light indicator on when you aren't using camera. Sudden high battery drain or CPU overheating. Unexplained new apps, pop-ups or persistent notifications. Unusual data usage spikes. Spyware may upload footage. In iPhone, green dot when no app visible. In Android 12 Plus, camera icon or privacy dashboard showing recent camera access. If the camera light stays on or you see suspicious activity, force stop the app that appears in camera usage. Settings, apps, app, force stop. Boot into safe mode Android to see if a third-party app is responsible. If indicator disappears in safe mode, an installed app caused it. For iPhone, remove any profiles or MDM, settings, general, VPN, and device management if you don't recognize them. Change account passwords, Apple ID, Google account. Enable two-factor authentication. Backup important data, then factory reset the phone, settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings, Android settings, system, reset options, erase all data. Only restore apps from trusted sources and avoid restoring unknown apps. If you suspect advanced spyware, Pegasus style, contact a professional mobile security firm or your device vendor. They can do an in-depth forensic scan. Extra privacy and hardening tips. Use a physical camera cover, slim slider or sticker for peace of mind. Only install apps from official app stores, App Store, Google Play. Review app permissions every few weeks. Turn off background app refresh, iOS, or background activity, Android, for apps that don't need it. Consider a privacy-focused launcher or security app only from reputable vendors. If your phone has a built-in hardware camera kill switch, use it. If you want, a short action plan you can follow in order: reboot phone. Immediately revoke camera permissions for all non-essential apps. Uninstall any unfamiliar apps. Turn on app privacy report, privacy dashboard, and monitor for 24-48 hours. Update OS and apps if problem persists, backup and factory reset. Thank you for watching. If the video was a help to you, like and subscribe for more videos to come.